Karbi Anglong celebrated National Press Day at Diphu on 16th of November. West Karbi Anglong District Press Club observes 56th National Press Day at Tumpreng. KSA Dilai Head Branch launched free coaching classes for matric examination candidates at Dilai. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. Looking at the graph of journalists in terms of number in Karbi Anglong District could be seen increasing within the last few years. Hence, keeping the citizens updated with the current affairs every day. Therefore, to mark the presence of the free and responsible press in district, various press clubs from various constituencies celebrated National Press Day on 16th of November. Likewise, District Press Club of Karbi Anglong observed National Press Day at Longmirjeng Stage, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. Digonto Teron, President of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, hoisted the official flag of District Press Club during an early hour of the day. It was followed by paying homage to the departed souls and was led by Daniel Sonbe, Vice President of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong. The celebration was chaired by Digonto Teron, President, and the objective of the meeting and introductions of the guests was briefed by Daniel Sonbe, Vice President, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Be MP, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, EMs MAC, DC of Karbi Anglong, SP of Karbi Anglong attended as the guests of the event. Senior journalists and staff from media fraternity attend the event to grace the occasion. Also under the initiative of Diphu Press Club, National Press Day was observed at Langkung Habe Auditorium Hall on 16th of November. Borsing Rongpar, President of Diphu Press Club, chaired the occasions and took the honor to brief the objective of the meeting and introduction to the guests of the event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Be MP, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, EM, MACs and several important dignitaries of the media fraternity attended the event. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. On 16th of November, West Karbi Anglong District Press Club, in collaboration with Office of the District Information and Public Relations Officer, DIPRO, observed 56th National Press Day at Singh Ronghang Memorial Park, Tumpreng, West Karbi Anglong. With the theme Role of Media in Nation Building, West Karbi Anglong District Press Club and Office of the District Information and Public Relations Officer, DIPRO, jointly observed National Press Day on 16th of November. The observation was commemorated by hoisting the official flag of the District Press Club by Daniel Inghi, President of West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. The observation of National Press Day was chaired by Daniel Inghi, President of West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, attended as the chief guest of the event. Senior journalists and all the correspondents from West Karbi Anglong attended the event and praised the occasion. On the occasion of National Press Day, mementos were awarded through the hands of Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, to the senior journalists to acknowledge and honor their dedication and fortitude to unbiased and truthful reporting. The journalists who were honored during the celebration were Rongbong Terang, Mohan Teron, Hemari Rongpar, Joy Singh Terang and Nondo Bodoloy. Journalists present at the event exchanged their views and shared their experience they had encountered while doing a ground zero reporting. On this occasion, memorandum was submitted to Krishna Barua, DC by the West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, while addressing her speech, spoke about the role of media in nation building. She also assured to implement all the points mentioned at the memorandum very soon in the days to come.
It comes out in the channels and in the newspapers and in the print media. So that is my honest request, and always be truthful to the society, to our community and history.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamugam for Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiatives of Karbi Students Association, Dilai Head Branch Free Coaching Center was launched on 13th of November at Dilai Youth Club. It was sponsored by Harlong B. Ingling, social activists. On 13th of November, Karbi Students Association Dilai Head Branch initiated free coaching classes on specialized subjects like science, mathematics and English for matric examination candidates. The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Bikram Kro, President of KSA Dilai Head Branch. Joy Singh Timung, retired teacher, attended as the chief guest of the event and took the honor to inaugurate the free coaching center. Nobin Rongpi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, Hundor Bey, SGB, Bhagya Teron, Ahan Teron, Headmaster of Dilai Government ME School, Bidya Singh Inglang, President of Dilai Youth Club, Rani Timungpi, President of Karsa Dilai Branch, attended as the guest of the event. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.